Hey guys, we're in Ludlow, Kentucky, just across the river from Cincinnati, and we're at the Ludlow train viewing platform, which is at the Ludlow Heritage Museum. They've got a caboose right there, but we're going to climb the steps and go on up and sit, my wife and I. And there was a Norfolk Southern just positioned for the left of here, so it would be south or north, so hopefully it's going to be coming through. But there are the tracks right there. So let's see what we got. Looks like we got a bunch of, I don't know if they're doing track work right now or not, or if they're just staged here. But the Ludlow station, and it's got benches. It's got an elevator if you're wheelchair bound or need accessibility. It's out over northern Kentucky. There's a bridge going over into Cincinnati to the yards. So let's see what we got. So Ludlow, Kentucky, it is the train viewing platform, just in northern Kentucky, right across from the yards in Cincinnati. So there is a train actually waiting down here, so we'll see what happens here in a minute. Keep my fingers crossed. But again, there's a plaque here about some history. It is the Ludlow train viewing platform, just over the bridge from Cincinnati and the yards in Ludlow, Kentucky, northern Kentucky.